silver chloride electrode, construction, working and its application. In this topic we will cover definition, construction, working, application of silver chloride electrode. What is silver chloride electrode? It is a type of reference electrode commonly used in electrochemical measurements. It is also a metal salt ion electrode. For environmental reason, it has widely replaced the saturated calomel electrode. Next, move on to the construction of silver chloride electrode. Construction. Silver and its sparingly soluble salt silver chloride are in contact with a solution of a chloride ion. Generally, a silver wire is coated with AgCl and dipped in a solution of KCl. In this picture, we can see silver chloride electrode consists of a silver wire which is coated with a sparingly soluble salt of a AgCl. Thus, coated silver wire is dipped in a solution containing anion of a salt. The anion here is chloride. So, here this silver wire coated with a AgCl is dipped in a KCl solution. AgCl electrode can also represented as Ag bar, AgCl bar, Cl minus. Here we can see a box which containing concentration of a potassium chloride is used and also its corresponding electrode potential is mentioned. That is, the electrode potential of saturated KCl is 0.241 and 1 molar KCl is 0.281 and 0.1 molar KCl is 0.334. Next, move on to the working of silver chloride electrode. If silver chloride electrode act as an anode, the electrode reaction is Ag plus Cl minus gives AgCl plus electron. Anionic reaction nothing but oxidation. So here silver, that is Ag, undergo oxidation to give Ag plus and 1 electron. Then Ag plus will react with a Cl minus will give AgCl. If silver chloride electrode act as a cathode, the electrode reaction is AgCl plus electron gives Ag plus Cl minus. Cathodic reaction is nothing but reduction. So here silver, which is in the form of Ag plus, accept 1 electron, undergo reduction to give Ag. The electrode potential of silver chloride electrode is given as Ag bar AgCl equal to E0 minus 0.0591 log Cl minus. From this equation, it is evident that the electrode potential of a silver chloride depends upon the concentration of a chlorine ion. As concentration of a chlorine ion varies, the electrode potential of a silver chloride will vary. Next, move on to the what are the applications of silver chloride electrode. Applications are: first one, silver chloride electrode is used as an internal reference electrode in a glass electrode. Second point is in determination of a uniform potential distribution in oil pipeline, ship hull, etc. Third point is in prevention of corrosion. These are regarding to the definition, construction, working and application of a silver chloride electrode. Thank you.
Wow, that's impressive! You have completed a magic today. For more videos, subscribe. Join our Facebook group and Instagram page for group discussion and live magaz videos for exam preparation in an hour. We start at Classfly community for students to learn from a friend in a simple way and support them in their own languages. If you are willing to be that one friend who saves us at the exam night preparation, then please join us by visiting classfly.in.